Zia, my precious cactus is turning yellow. Can I install a software update to fix its bugs? Plants don't run on computer code, Zibo. They run on biological code. It's called DNA, and it's the instruction manual for every living thing. An instruction manual? Let's read it. Activate micro-dive sequence. Welcome to the nucleus. Inside almost every cell, there is a massive library. The letters in this library are molecules that form the DNA. I only read zeros and one. What language is this? It uses 4 letters, A, C, T, and G. The order of these letters decides if you have brown eyes, blonde hair, or green cactus wicks. Wait, look at that section. The letters are glicking. Good eye. That's a genetic mutation, a typo in the manual. That is why your cactus is sick. But what if we could rewrite the code? Enter CRISPR. Inspired by how bacteria defend against virus, this revolutionary tool acts like a pair of programmed molecular scissors. Scientists can program CRISPR to hunt down the exact DNA type, hiding among billions of letters, with absolute precision. Target locked. Delete the bad code. Snip! Once the bad part is removed, the cell's natural repair system steps in, allowing us to paste in the correct, healthy code. Wow! Can we use this to cure diseases? Or make glow-in-the-dark pets? Curing genetic diseases? Yes. Those? Theoretically, yes, but let's stick to medicine. Biology is just wet software. My cactus is saved. The future of medicine is in the code. Hit subscribe to keep exploring the universe with us. Keep your genes clean, humans. Bye!